Hi everyone. First of all, you can write here email and password. We will provide you email and password and click on the continue. This is the dashboard or home page of this ID or this platform. If there is no task available on the dashboard, there is an option request task. You can click on this request task and take your task. But in this ID already available task, this is the task ID 15783, and recording duration is the 4 minute and 45 second. Total duration of this audio is 4 minute and 45 second, but there is 35 subtasks in this audio. You need to complete these 35 tasks and then you can complete whole audio. So you can see here, this is the first part. Part one of this audio is 5 second. Duration of this audio is 5 second. Before we will start our work, there is some rules and regulations or some tags of this platform. No more tags, just these are few tasks. First of all is the pause task tag, sorry. This is the inaudible, this is the unintelligible, the pii label, foreign language, filler words. These are filler words, and there are many other tags are available in this portion, like noise, silence, lip smacking, sneezing, dot barking. These are more tags are available in this. So first of all, you can hear this audio and transcribe the on this audio. This is the Bangla ID, but all the rules and regulations and tags are same for other languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and many other languages. Rules and regulations are same. So, firstly, you can check if there is a difference, 2 second or more than 2 second. You can use a silence tag. If gap is present in the start or in the ending greater than 2 second or more than 2 second, you can use silence tag, sorry. This is the silence tag. Okay. If more than 2 seconds, you can use only silence tag. If someone says hello, you can write in English. English words are also write in English, not in your target or native language. This is the Bangla ID. I can't understand Bangla, but English words are here. This speaker speak hello, so I will write hello. If there is no gap in the start, you can't use silence tag. So this is the hello. Please use punctuations if need. So this is the pause tag. If someone speaks and suddenly stop for some seconds, like 2 second or more than 2 second, you can use only pause tag. Silence tag is for starting or ending, and pause tag is between the speaking. So if someone speak hello and then stops for some seconds, like 2 second or more than 2 second, you can use pause tag. Okay. Then write other, like how are you, not using short words, write completely words. So after that, this is the inaudible tag. Inaudible tag means the speaker speak but you can't understand what he speak, what he is speaking. So what he so you can use inaudible, unintelligible. If a person speaks but you didn't understand, so you can use unintelligible tag. This is the PII label. PII label means personal information. So like name, address, home address, office address, and phone number, email address. These are the personal informations, so you can use personal information. This is the foreign language. if your target language is Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and person speak in Hindi. If your target language is Bengali and the person is speaking Hindi, you can write a foreign language. So you can transcribe only two languages. First is the English, and second is your target language. So this is the Bengali ID. I can't understand Bangla or Bengali, so I will write only English words. So this is the foreign language. You can only two transcribe two languages. First is the English, and is your Bangla. Bangla is the your native language, so you can transcribe. So last one, second last is the filler words. If a person speaks hmm, ha, he, oops, these are filler words you can write. Okay. After that, these are other languages. If a noise in the background, you can use noise. Silence tag in the start. If a gap is more than 2 second or more than 2 second, you can use silence tag. Lip making, if a person lip sync, sneezing, door barking, siren, fan noise, these are many tags are available. uh, so now you can report your task if there are some conditions, like there is a lot of background, there is a lot of background in the background, too much noise in the background, you can report. You didn't understand your words, your audio, so you can report your audio. User has mentioned personal information like PII, like personal information, your name, their name, their email address, office address, phone number. These, if personal information are available, you can click on the report and task the report. User has used bad language like abusing and other. User has made sexist remark, means speakers are speaking about sexual hormones or sex related things. You can just report this task. User has shared political opinion, they are discussing about politicians or politics. You can just report the task. Speaking in wrong language, multiple people, and this is the important thing. Multiple people talking, when speakers are overlapping, like one person speak, and after that second person also speaking. So you can use report, you can report the task others and remove report. Okay, these are the reasons for reporting. You can use the punctuation if need, like question mark, exclamation mark, semicolon, and other if need. So these are 35. When you complete your task, you can save. After that, when you complete all subtasks, you can submit the task, and your whole task complete will complete. There is no actually, I'm checking 2 second pause or silence tag. There is no task. Okay, only these are tasks available, sorry, these are tags available in this. So if you have any question, you can tell me. I will clear. Hope you can understand this video.